Thutha wa mugomo wa aruti a wira ruhonge-ini rwa ukui wa ndege gutabanio iharo-ini itiganite muthenya wa ira, kiria kirarumirire ni gukanjwo gwa thabari nyingi cia ndege, undu mwe na gucerithirio gwa thabari imwe cia guthii ituri itiganite thiini wa thi. Mugaru na muthenya wa ira riu ukui wa ndege ni uthiete na mbere na gucokereria o kahora, undu uri urahotithio ni maabitha kuma ruhonge rwa mbiraru cia riera-ini aria moete ithenya ria aruti wira aria maigite mirothi. Kuringana na aruti wira aya gutirio na umwe wao gwitikira gucokereria wira mateta mao matarumbuyanitio namo, umuthi ngwataniro ya aruti a wira ya kotu ikimanyita mbaru.
This is a simple industrial relations issue which requires dialogue. Na watu walipeana, union ilipeana notice. This is a protected strike. It's not illegal strike. What they are lacking is capacity to handle industrial relations issues.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kotu Francis Atwoli, aruti wira mari na kihoto gia kwiyaria hari gutetera ihoto ciao, na ugwa koria tongoria ngwataniro ya aruti wira aria maikitio ngono marekererio na ihenya utoria kwahoteka.
Wanatuletea GSU inapiga wafanyikazi for what we don't know. You see, wanapiga hata passengers, international passengers wanakuwa kuloba. Huwezi kusema watu wamegoma, pigia watu wa Air Force, pigia Air Force. These are army trained boys. Hawezi kufanya kazi ya Kenya Airport Authority, security yao, trained to those machines and everything. This is to endanger people who are using our aircrafts outside there.
Onalio riendekithia ria gutiga uramati wa iharo cia ndege moko-ini ma kambuni ya Kenya Airways nirekirirwo nganja Atwoli akiuga undu nduratwarithio ria kwagiriire, guku akiheana mukana wa kwambiriria kampeni ya kugomera ukui kuhitukira ndege cia kambuni ya Kenya Airways.
And next week it's a table statement in the International Labour Organization. Yes. It's a UN agent, and I will seek support from ITC, International Trade Union Confederation based in Brussels, to carry out a campaign for the whole world to boycott Kenya Airways.
Maya magithiaga na mbere igoti ria gutuithania macira maiganda ni riambite kurugamia kwa ihinda cira gatagati ka aruti wira na urugamiriri wa kambuni ya Kenya Airways niguo kuhe mweke wa miario gatagati ka miaho yeri, undu ria ratabanio ni kamiti ya mwanya iria yumbitwo ni minister wa Labour Ukuui Atani. Gukinyaniria hwaini wa umuthi makiria ndege 80 ni irikitie kumbana gukinya kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA, ona thegi ya makiria aruti wira 1,000 gukorwo maigite mirothi kwambiriria muthenya wa ira. Hadini Hakameme TV, ritu riakwa ni Bataru wa Mutugo.